In the world of electronics manufacturing, safety is paramount. From handling hazardous materials like acids and solvents to operating machinery at high speeds, workers need specialized gear to protect themselves. But what exactly do they wear and why? Let's explore this together. First up, let's talk about the basics. Safety goggles ***. These aren't just any glasses. They're designed with a special coating that blocks out harmful UV rays and particles like dust and chemicals. They're crucial for protecting workers' eyes from everything from bright lights to airborne contaminants. Next on our list are *** lab coats ***. Made of flame-resistant materials, these coats not only keep workers clean, but also prevent them from getting their clothes dirty in messy work environments. The fabric is often treated with a special coating that repels liquids and stains, making it ideal for the electronics industry, where spills happen frequently. But safety isn't just about what you wear. Protective gloves * are equally important. These aren't your regular rubber or latex gloves. They're specially designed to withstand chemicals like acids and solvents without breaking down. This ensures that workers can handle hazardous materials safely, reducing the risk of chemical burns and other injuries. Now, let's move on to ** safety shoes ***. In an industry where machinery operates at high speeds, safety shoes are essential for preventing foot injuries. They're designed with reinforced soles and toes to withstand impacts from falling objects or sharp edges. Additionally, they often have slip-resistant soles to prevent workers from slipping in wet conditions. Lastly, ** hard hats * are a must-have. In electronics factories, where machinery can be noisy and vibrations common, hard hats protect against head injuries caused by flying debris or collisions with equipment. They're also designed to absorb impact energy, making them safer for workers who need to move around quickly in confined spaces. So, the next time you see a factory worker donning all these safety gear, remember that it's not just about looking professional. It's about ensuring their health and safety on the job. This is how electronics manufacturers prioritize the well-being of their workforce.